stop at Balaji Grand Restaurant.
And we are left with both sides dense forest.
So finally we have reached our resort. Good morning, and we are now today heading for another road trip. So it's morning 3:20 right now, and shortly we will head for our car and then start by around 4 o'clock. और आज हम एक नया डेस्टिनेशन के लिए जा रहे हैं. आज का हमारा ट्रिप वेस्टर्न कोस्ट की तरफ है एंड डिस्टेंस अराउंड 650 के आसपास है. एग्जैक्ट डिस्टेंस हम कार में बैठ करके गूगल मैप चेक करके आपको बता दूंगा, और अराउंड 650 है एंड डेस्टिनेशन इज़ गोकर्णा. Let's see how much time it takes actually. Estimated to take is around 13 hours. So probably reach by 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. That's our target. So now if you can see, the distance for Gokarna is 666 kilometer for our hotel, and I'm going via Raichur, Yellapur, and then our hotel. So total kilometer is 666, 12 hour 30 minutes. Approximately we'll reach by 4:30, but with breaks it is 6 o'clock. So the time right now is 3:54 in the morning, and so let's get started and stay with us. We'll keep you updated on the route, how it is.
So now we are connecting to ORR, and the time right now is 4:11 in the morning. So we are going, as I mentioned earlier, we are going via Yellapur, Raichur, Yellapur, and we'll take the road towards Hampi, like Manvi. From Raichur, we'll not go inside the city. We'll go outside of Raichur and connect to Raichur Manvi Road, or it is also called, I think, it's some state highway, but we'll pick that road, and that road takes to Hampi. So instead of going towards Hampi from Gangavati, we'll go straight towards Yellapur, Koppal and Yellapur. And for Hampi, you need to take a detour from Gangavati. So if you have watched my earlier video for Hampi, so there I have mentioned that the same route which I have taken will take today also. So it's up to Gangavati, it is the same route. Last time I think the road was not so very good from Raichur to Gangavati. It's lot of speed breakers. Let's see how it is this time. It's more than a year now from that trip. हम आज रायचूर होते हुए जाएंगे, रायचूर से येल्लापुर वाया हम्पी रोड, दैट इज विल टेक द मानवी रोड होते हुए गंगावती से स्ट्रेट चले जाएंगे येल्लापुर. हम्पी के लिए हमें गंगावती से डिटोर लेना होता है. तो अगर आपने हमारा हिंदी हम्पी वाला वीडियो देखा होगा, उसमें हमने यही रूट लिया था. रायचूर तक तो रोड अच्छा है, उसके बाद का पता नहीं है अभी इफ देयर इज़ एनी इम्प्रूवमेंट. वी आर नाउ एग्जिटिंग ORR एंड नाउ कनेक्टिंग टू NH44. अब हम NH44 पे आ गए हैं. यहाँ से झरचला तक का रूट सेम रहेगा, बेंगलोर रोड NH44. जस्ट बिफोर, लाइक समवेयर नियर झरचला, वी विल टेक द राइट टर्न टुवर्ड्स महबूब नगर. That will take us to Raichur Road. So आज का हमारा रूट मेजर टाउन विल बी महबूब नगर, एंड महबूब नगर के बाद फिर हम रायचूर आएंगे. अप्रोचिंग आवर फर्स्ट टॉल ऑफ द डे. दिस इज़ एक्सक्लूडिंग द ORR के अलावा पहला टॉल है आज का. एंड दिस इज़ झरचला टॉल. द चार्जेस ओवर हियर इज़ 85 रुपीज़. यहाँ का चार्ज 85 रुपीज़ है. इफ़ यू हैव annual pass, then this trip will be deducted, one trip from this one. Vehicle ahead motion detected. अब हमारा कट जो है अराउंड 16 to 17 किलोमीटर रह गया है, महबूब नगर का कट. So after 16-17 kilometers, we'll take a Mehboob Nagar cut. Time right now is 4:58, so it's still not 5. So this is our first time that we are started so early. Normally we start at around 4:30. Today we started before 4. So it is the earliest start for our. We in shortly, I think we will take exact point. I'm not still not reached. अभी भी हम एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट नहीं पहुंचे जहां से हमें लेना है, बट अब थोड़ी देर में एरो मार्क्स दिख गए महबूब नगर के, सो इट विल बी इन अ व्हाइल.
Lane departure.
सो हमें अब यहाँ से लेफ़्ट लेना है. एक्चुअली हम थोड़ा सा कट जो है मिस हो गया था, सो फ्लाईओवर क्रॉस करके यू टर्न लेके हम आ रहे हैं वापस. सो अराउंड 2-3 किलोमीटर एक्स्ट्रा ड्राइव हो गया है. सो नाउ फ्रॉम हियर विल टेक लेफ्ट टू एंटर महबूब नगर, एंड फ्रॉम देयर इट्स अ स्ट्रेट रोड. सो इफ़ यू आर कमिंग जस्ट इन द once you climb the flyover, from there you need to get down again with it from the flyover to take Mehboob Nagar. It's in between the flyover only, the slight left and then from there right. So if you can see the board, Mehboob Nagar 81 Mehboob Nagar is 15 kilometer and Raichur 121 kilometer. So we'll not enter the Raichur city, we'll go outside Raichur and then connect to Raichur Koppal road. So for Yellapur we are expected to reach by 2:40. So I have set my map to up to Yellapur. From there it is around 60-70 kilometer. So if we reach by 2:40 Yellapur, then from there around 2 more hours. So we are expected to reach by 4:30 without break. So if we take break around 1.5 hour, maybe combine all breaks, so we are expecting to reach by 6 o'clock. अभी भी 493 किलोमीटर बचा हुआ है फॉर यल्लापुर, एंड देन वहाँ से 60-70 किलोमीटर अराउंड. सो 550 किलोमीटर इज स्टिल लेफ्ट. हमने अभी तक 93 किलोमीटर कवर कर लिए हैं. सो नाउ वी आर डाइवर्टिंग टू NH 167 and continue there. So there is an other alternate route also if you are coming from Hyderabad. So there are 3 main options. One is the one which we have taken, via NH 44 and then 167. The other one is directly taking 167 via Zahirabad, and the third option is via NH 65 coming through Kalburgi. This is the Kalburgi route is the longest one. The one which we have taken, this is the shortest as per the kilometer, but let's see how much time it takes. अभी भी अब हम अराउंड 110 किलोमीटर चल लिए हैं घर से, क्लोज टू 2 hours. टाइम राइट नाउ इज़ 5:44. अब 6 बजने वाला है, सुबह हो गया है ऑलमोस्ट. अब कुछ देर में सनराइज़ भी हो जाएंगे. So we are crossing through महबूब नगर, एंड कुछ देर बाद फिर हम कोपल रोड पे, रायचूर कोपल रोड रायचूर वाले रोड पे चलेंगे, उसके बाद फिर रायचूर कोपल रोड. सो वी आर नाउ अप्रोचिंग द सेकेंड टॉल ऑफ द डे. सो I think this is charges for this is 45 rupees. I think this should also cover in the trip count of an annual pass. I'm not sure of that, but this is, I think, yeah, NS 167, so it should. So we are now left with 421 kilometer for Yellapur, and that is will reach, expected to reach by 2:30 without break, and if we take some break it may be 3:30 or so, and then 2 hours from there for Gokarna. Approaching Raichur, I think that is somewhere around 45 to 50 kilometer left for Raichur. We may take a small break while reaching Raichur. Some tea, coffee break.
Lane departure.
Both sides of the road there are a lot of gulmohar trees.
Lane departure.
All bloom red. So far the roads were good. Some road patches were there, but otherwise it was good, and morning there was no traffic, so it's good. So far it's good, and its time right now is 6:40, and we have almost covered 165 kilometer from our home, so we're close to 3 hours of drive. हम अभी तक घर से करीब 3 घंटा चल चुके हैं, 2 घंटा 50 मिनट, और 165 किलोमीटर कवर कर लिए हैं. 165 covered, which means around 500 kilometer left
Lane departure.
overall. Still long way to go.
Lane departure.
It is municipality. Welcome to Makthal municipality. So we are approaching Makthal city. So थोड़ा चाय के लिए ब्रेक लिया है. So घर से चाय लेके आया था. We have brought tea from home. So having a cup of tea. We have almost traveled close to 3 hours. 3 hours, I think. We start at 7:05. So 3 घंटे approximately हमने cover कर लिए हैं. So we are approaching Raichur. If you can see the board, 22 kilometers is left, and on the left side, if you can see the Raichur thermal plant. So we are almost entering Raichur, and the time is 7:30 right now. We are now crossing a river. So we are now on the Manvi road, Raichur Koppal road, and we will cover almost 85 kilometers on this road. This is Raichur Koppal road. It's very smooth. Speed limit is 80, and somewhere it is 100. Looks like it is. It was not same as when we came last time. We are still on Raichur Koppal road, approaching Manvi.
Lane departure.
The roads are very good. Speed limit is 80 some places and 100 at some places.
Lane
You
departure.
can cruise smoothly. Looks like this is newly laid. रोड काफ़ी स्मूथ है, काफ़ी अच्छा है और स्पीड लिमिट 80 से 100 के बीच में है. We have made a stop at Balaji Grand Restaurant, though it is not open, so we went for just washroom. I think it will only serve lunch or dinner, so no breakfast option over here. But we don't have any issue because we had brought breakfast from our home, so we are having that. The time right now is 9:45, so we got late slightly. We were finding suitable place to have a lunch, to have a breakfast, and so we found this one only. So let's see how it goes. Then further journey, we'll keep you updated. So we are right now just stopped on the Raichur Koppal road. It's I think it's after crossing Manvi, some 50, 30, 20, 30 kilometer after Manvi, somewhere in that road. Exact location, distance I'm not sure, but yeah, it is. So we are yet to cross Gangavati. So we have not yet crossed Gangavati. So we are now heading back on the highway. We finished our breakfast. I think we took around 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes break. So now we are heading towards Gangavati, and then we'll head to Jinijera place. From there it is near Hubballi. The total kilometer till Hubballi is around 503. So let's see how much time it takes. We have almost covered 300 kilometer from our home, so 200 more for Hubballi, and then 658 is Gokarna, so it is around halfway. We are almost at the halfway mark, hoping to reach by 6. We'll keep you updated on how the road is. Stay with us, साथ बने रहें. We'll रोड के बारे में आपको बताते रहेंगे. सो वन थिंग, एक चीज़ तो है कि ये रोड में खाने का ऑप्शन थोड़ा कम है. सो दैट्स वाई वेर रिटर्निंग, हम इस रोड को लेने का प्लान नहीं करेंगे. एंड गुड पार्ट इज़ दैट द रोड has been developed quite a lot, so it takes little lesser time than compared to earlier times. There are few diversions still left, but still manageable. We were able to reduce around 30 minutes of time on this highway from after crossing Raichur till this break. We were able to cover around 30 minutes. We are still on Raichur Koppal road. Gangavati, it is showing 28 kilometer more. So from there we need to take detour for Hampi, but for us we'll go straight on this road.
Lane departure.
अभी यल्लापुर के लिए 4 घंटा 26 मिनट और समय
Lane
बचा रहा है,
departure.
260 किलोमीटर, and from there around 70 more
Lane
kilometer.
departure.
So expected to reach Yellapur by 3, and from there maybe 2 or 3 hours more.
Lane departure.
So we'll keep you updated on the road, how the road further road is. So far the road was good except for some patches near Raichur, and road diversions after Manvi because of road works. Otherwise it was very good, smooth. So we are approaching the third toll of the day. So far we have only received 3 tolls. So approaching another toll. I think this is the 4th toll for the day, and we are left with
Lane departure.
22 kilometer for Yellapur. That is, we are expected to reach by 3 o'clock. I think the toll charges for this one is 45. Is toll का charge 45 rupees है. And if it is, I think it will be applicable. This may not be applicable for annual toll pass. I will just let you know on the description later on whether it is applicable, because it shows that it's Karnataka Road Development Corporation, not NHI. So 3.5 घंटा और बचा हुआ है फॉर येल्लापुर. एंड येल्लापुर से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आई एम एस्टिमेटिंग 2 hours मोर, बिकॉज घाटी रोड होगा. तो कुल मिला के 5.5 घंटे का और सफ़र रहता है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. तो
Lane departure.
टाइम अभी 11:30 हो रहा है. तो मोस्ट लाइकली हम 5 बजे तक पहुंच जाएंगे. और अगर
Lane departure.
थोड़ा मोड़ा और ब्रेक लिए तो 5:30 से 6. तो 6
Lane
हमारा
departure.
एस्टिमेट है. वैसे स्टार्टिंग में भी हमने 6 एस्टिमेट किया था. 6 PM तक हम पहुंचेंगे अपना होटल. लेट्स सी कितना टाइम
Lane
लगता है एक्चुअल में.
departure. Lane departure.
So we are approaching one more toll for the day. This is, I think, 6th or 7th toll on the way. We are left with 176 kilometer.
Lane departure.
So charges for this is, I think, 70 rupees.
Lane departure.
We are now on NH 52, so we are about to connect to NH 52, last stretch of NH 67, and we are crossing Hubballi. As I mentioned, we are not entering the Hubballi city, so it's outskirts of Hubballi, and we will connect to NH 52, and then again I think we will connect to NH 66, which will take us to Gokarna. सो फार किलोमीटर लेफ्ट इज़ 154. अभी भी 154 किलोमीटर बाकी है और 3 घंटा 11 मिनट एज़ पर गूगल. Assuming that we take one more break, 1 or 2 more break, so it will be around 4 more hours. So we are expected to reach by 5:46 o'clock our hotel. So we are on track as per our estimate. So we'll take one break for fuel. So though the fuel, based on the current meter reading, we will be able to make it to Gokarna, but we'll get it filled so that tomorrow we don't have to fill it again. And one more break for a washroom and other things. So 2 more break we are expecting. That outside temperature over here is showing 33 degree, which is much cooler than Hyderabad. Hyderabad was hovering around 40, 39, 40, on some days 40 plus also. Here the time right now is 1:40 and the temperature is still 33 degree, so which is quite cool compared to Hyderabad. Hopefully Gokarna also remain similar. So we have just filled up my car, and I think at the petrol pump here, the BP petrol pump, they were not filling the doing full tank. So I had to fill it up only for 3,000. That too, 2,500 with UPI and 500 cash. So if you're traveling, just make sure you may need to fill multiple times. Or carry cash, that will be easier. Cash also, they are not accepting more than 500. So but we are done now. I think we don't need, it is almost full tank for me. We were still having around 250 kilometer left as per the meter reading, which is like
Lane departure.
one third was still full.
Lane departure.
Now it is almost showing the meter reading 729 left, which is almost similar to when I do full tank. So it is no issue for me right now. So now we are left with 140 kilometer, the final stretch. 3 hours without break and maybe 4 hours with break. अब 140 किलोमीटर रह गया है लास्ट स्ट्रेच. Forest road has started and we can see both side greenery. Temperature has also cooled down 2 degrees more, so it is 32 degree now. We'll take one small break and then continue our journey. We are looking for a suitable spot and then have a break. We have taken a break at Highway Lounge for a washroom and some food. So we have we had a breakfast, but now we are having lunch, which we have brought from our home. So we are having paratha, and after having a lunch, we'll head back on the road. So this restaurant is just after the petrol pump, the BP petrol pump where I had got filled. So it is around 4 to 5 kilometers from there. I will let you know the exact location on the description. And it's a good place and good nice parking space also. And it's just have to beside the highway. So it's location wise also it's also good. Washrooms were clean, both ladies and gents. So you can definitely stop. If not food, you can have definitely break for washrooms. So after having our lunch, we'll head back on the highway. Stay with us and we'll keep you updated on the further journey. So we are now back on the highway. We finished our lunch and we have taken almost around 35 minutes break. So now the expected arrival time has changed and we are now expected to reach by 5:30. No more stopping from our side, so we'll not stop for any break right now. And we are expecting to reach by 5:30. 5:30 तक हम पहुंच सकते हैं आराम से. और किलोमीटर अभी 136 रह गया है, 135-36 के आसपास. एज़ पर गूगल 3 घंटा और टाइम दिखा रहा है, यानी कि अभी 2:30 बज रहा है, तो 3 घंटा और, विच मीन्स 5:30. येल्लापुर अभी भी 40 किलोमीटर है. और गोकर्णा 118 किलोमीटर. Still 118 kilometer left for Gokarna. Next milestone is Yellapur, which is 40 kilometer. Both sides dense forest. Last few kilometers. Now we are seeing some houses, but it was all forest, no house, no and some boats for wild animals crossing. So while returning, we'll cover this stretch early morning. Looks like people have cut the trees for cultivation. The roads are pretty smooth so far, no potholes, nothing. The only thing is one way. So the speed, in case there is some slow moving truck, your speed will get reduced because it's difficult to overtake. Otherwise the roads are very smooth and you can drive smoothly above 70. Some zigzag roads, but not I will not call this as घाट road yet. तो अभी भी घाट रोड जैसा तो नहीं लग रहा है, फॉरेस्ट रोड है. Now both sides dense forest. So far we have covered around close to more than 10 kilometers, except for small patch of some houses in between. All along it was in the similar line, and the roads are good. Slight up, we are rising slightly, very slowly, so it is not difficult to drive in the daytime. Since there are no street lights, night driving will be difficult. So if you are planning from Hyderabad, plan early so that you cross this by day. So once we cross Yellapur, we'll see how the road is. So still we have not yet crossed Yellapur. So Yellapur will cross in around 10-15 minutes. The rise is very small, so we are slowly rising, so it doesn't feel steep. And since both sides it's dense forest, in the evening it will get darker very quickly. But so far roads are very good, so no question on the road condition. Now we are having the Ghat road. We crossed Yellapur. So after Yellapur, there are some Ghat road. Not very difficult one. It's simple Ghat roads, but overtaking will be difficult in case you get stuck behind slow moving truck. So we are now taking left from here, and this road will also take to Yana Caves, but we are not visiting that. So we have taken a detour from that NH52. It is Mirjan Ramnagar road. It's some state road inside some dense forest. This road will take to Yana Caves. So if you are planning to visit Yana Cave, this is the road. We will cross one river. Not sure which river it is, but there is one river which we will cross. Total time now left is 1 hour and 35 kilometer total. As usual, time is 5:30 only, so we are on track as per our estimate, and we are within our estimated time. Like we initially planned to reach by 6, including all breaks, but we are expected to reach by 5:30. सम स्मॉल पैच ऑफ बैड रोड, थोड़ा सा रोड ख़राब है। हमने NH52 छोड़ के ये जो दूसरा रोड लिया है, इस पे थोड़ा सा पैच है ख़राब। बारिश के समय में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो सकती है, बट अगर इफ़ यू हैव एन SUV और बिग कार, नो इशू, शुड इजीली सेल आउट। दिस साइड, वाह, मस्त व्यू है। So finally we have reached our resort. It's a parking area. We are waiting for the check-in. Now heading for our room. So the time right now is 5:50. So after check-in, it took few minutes. Now we are heading to our room. So this is our room. So if you can see, 2 bed, 1 third bed option for kid, water option, small cupboard, and there is one big cupboard, big fan, big room, TV, sitting option, and nice big room. I didn't expect this big room will be. It's good. Bathroom. So we have 2 wash machines in this. And this is open shower, hanger. So this is the evening view of the beach. We are at Cuddle Beach. Sun has already set. We just got late in our room. We took some 1 hour of rest and then now back on the beach.